Welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be doing this style today. If you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then keep on watching. Alright, so fold this wrap in half. Bring it around the back. I like mine behind my ears, so I'm going to go ahead and adjust that right now so I can make sure the tension is correct and my wrap is secure. So I'm going to twist my wrap a little bit, just a couple times in the front. Then I'll bring it around back. Tie it in the back. I'm going to bring it around town. Just wrap, tuck that in that area. And then when you slide it back, it'll close that little hole in the front. So I definitely love this style. Hope you guys like it. Please comment below, subscribe, share with a friend, all the things. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you all next time. Bye.